Hello, hello. It's the 8th of August and we're looking at a Prunus crassifolia, or sometimes called a cherry plum blossom. It comes out very, very early in spring with beautiful double pink flowers, and they're very, very dense. This tree in another week will have double or triple the number of flowers. Look at all the buds. See all the beautiful buds everywhere? So it's about to double or triple, but standing here, it's beautifully fragrant and you really feel that spring's arrived. You feel that the world's coming back to life. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, what's great about this tree here, it's a small tree. This tree here would be 10 or 15 years old. I'm 1.8 meters tall. It's probably a total of about 3.2 meters tall. It's never been pruned, it's just this is the natural size of the tree. And after these flowers are nearly finished, beautiful dark purpley black leaves appear, and the flowers then disappear as it becomes covered in the beautiful bronzy purple foliage. And then through summer, it's a lovely bronzy purple foliage tree. Very, very pretty, very, very nice. So fabulous blossom in the spring and lovely foliage in the summer. A small compact tree and really, really hardy. That's why councils often plant these in the street, because they're tough enough just to abandon in the street in any old soil, and they grow into this beautiful blossom tree.